Click and Grow. It's very short, like 32 minutes in. I did only 2 websites. Sorry, guys. I hope not deceiving anyone. I'm going to try my best. Cool. So for Click and Grow, this website got a lot of traffic. It's awesome. I really love the fact that they give back to school. That's back to school sale. But I saw that there's a few things there that are quite interesting. Like especially the subscription. You can see here, like above the fold, I don't see this. So please reduce a bit the header, make sure that we can actually see those logos above the fold. Have a bit of USPs as well. There's not much USPs, and I think it's a Shopify, but let's have a look quickly. If it is a Shopify, no, it's not. Yeah, it is a Shopify. Again, navigation bar. Maybe this could be already straight up open. Like I could have those 4 icons straight away open. I'm saving 1 click. I actually explained to people that I got pods, I got indoor garden, I got indoor garden kits, and I got accessories. Subscription was quite interesting. I found it quite cool, but as you can see here, there's a lot of like different colors and call to action. So please, think, and like even this is clashing as well. You have so much colors here. I would try to organize for human eyes, and it's changing color as well. So you get 2 different banner. But I would try to have, an organization, like what is the most important call to action, and then after I follow through. But if you have the red first, then after you have the orange, and then after you have another one. But basically try to be nice for people, to direct them with their eyes and be able to take them to the right direction. I should go into a product page. Categories. Those products are pretty cool. Okay. This is taking a bit too much space for me. We already talked about it before. I don't know if people are landing on this page or if they land from the home page at this stage. Something to look at in the analytics, but I would be very strategic on the way it's organized. So, for example, those pictures could be on the left. This is okay. They're very good pictures. Dark. That doesn't change. So how do I see it dark? I don't. There's a promotion. Yeah, when you put like a discount like this, in general, I like to show the value of that promotion. So if you don't show the value, basically, you have no idea how much you're saving. It's a bit sad because I don't know if it's a 10%, 20%. Like, I feel like, people need to calculate it basically to know if it's a good deal. Recommended use. What's in the box? Pictures or icon could be cool here. There's a lot of things to read. Those products are quite complicated, so people are quite engaged with it. FAQs. No, that's cool. That's really cool. I would reorganize the page and try to test different way to organize like all the different product pages. So, what are people, what the user is looking for landing on this page. I think it's quite interesting. How the save is here. Save is here, but the price is here. So maybe get the price higher, and get the reviews like just under it, or get this closer to this. But again, attention span here would be 3 to 5 seconds. So don't take a risk and try to organize the page a bit better. Finally, there's the sales page. I'm guessing a lot of people are getting into this page, and it's actually in red into the navigation. So we should have more traction to this page. Cool. I can add stuff there directly to the basket, which is awesome. A lot of products on the sales. Filters? Any filters? No filters. Cool. When we get to like long pages like this, same, like it's really hard for people to go through them, like I don't know how many websites they do before they buy something on one of those websites. But one sure thing is a filter would help them to make a decision faster and to navigate like faster into the product. So if it's flowers that they want, they should have flowers. If they're looking for salads or like anything that they can eat, then for me it needs to be a filter. I think that would be quite interesting. Any questions? No? Okay. Just wondering. Awesome. Referral program, loyalty. Yeah, same feedback about the footer, how to make sure that the footer is actually optimized when people land on it at the end of the website. Let's get into the blog, and then after we move on. This is really cool. Could we have the product with the pricing, or could we display maybe a list of products? Right now we have to do another click to get into the products. Again, remember that the blog is to suggest basically products from people that come from SEO purpose. So right now we take a risk again for them to go to buy now and go back into the racks, where we could have maybe like 3 racks already selected. I'm sure 80% of the racks, like 80% of the sales from the racks are about 20% of the products. Pareto low is a low, so no one can break it. Sorry. Is the question? Is it a comment? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There's a bit too much information on this website. That's the comment that I've been just seeing. Like that person would have give up. So same, if you do any user testing, one of the questions that I like asking is, if you were in your house right now on your couch just browsing, would you go through it or would you have give up? And people will be really honest with you. The problem as well is like playing with the colors, like red is kind of dangerous, because red is very like, it's actually danger, and people get a bit like, if there's red everywhere, it's just not good. So I would review maybe the color code to be a bit more friendly and less aggressive. Cool. And again, I'm sorry, I just don't like the banners. I think banners have a place and time. And the problem with Shopify is that if you put the banners on the entire website, so try to make sure that it's at the right place at the right time for the right people.